Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have another video for you. Is how to get cashback from Amazon. So a lot of students are asking me how I'm able to get cashback, and some of them are unable to get the cashback. So in this video, let me just show you step by step how this can be done. So why do you want to get cashback? Well, there's very reason. So some of the important reason is you want to pay for your dropshipping expenses. Well, there are a lot of costs that you know as a dropshipper you'll be having. For example, the software that you purchase every month. And of course, to pay your VAs, for example, you spend $200 for one VAs. And how about getting the VAs for free every month? So if you understand the cashback concept, you can actually increase your profit margin by 5% to 8%, which is substantially able to pay off for your expenses. And you can be more competitive in terms of pricing your item, and you can afford to sell at a loss. Yes, I'm saying that you can sell at a loss if you know what you're doing and you're selling in the categories that you're able to get cashback. But you want to know how to make sure that your cashback is actually locked. Well, in this example, I'm going to show you the site which is topcashback.com, and from topcashback.com you're able to get cash your Amazon purchase. Now, step number one is to check that if there's cashback. Of course, you need to log into Top Cashback and to check weekly for new categories. And before you purchase any item, especially when you sold something on eBay, make sure that you check for the categories whether you can get any cashback. And before that, what you need to do is make sure you copy the Amazon ASIN. Copy it down onto a notepad if you are sure that the category is giving you a cashback. And next, we are going to topcashback.com. And next is search for Amazon and look for the categories. After which, you are going to be routed directly to Amazon where you paste in the ASIN. And the next step, you're going to add this single item to your cart and check out. Now make sure that you only check out one item at a time so that your cashback can be locked. So let's go online now and have a look. I'll show you step by step how this is being executed. So right now I'm at topcashback.com. I've already logged in and I search for Amazon and I come to the Amazon cashback page. So you can see that the Amazon cashback is ranges from like 5% onwards, and on certain months you can get even 8 to 10%. For example, the Christmas month where we get close to 8% on average. Yeah, so these are all the categories you can actually look for the cashback. So let's say, for example, under the women fashion, and if I sold, for example, a lady's wallet, yeah. So what I do is that basically I'll get the ASIN from the Amazon, and basically I will just click on the Get Cashback button. Yeah, don't worry about orders, just click on the Get Cashback button. And you can see that basically Top Cashback is routing you directly to the Amazon site. So we give it a while to load and you're on the Amazon page. So what you do next is we get the ASIN over here, which we copy, and let's paste directly onto the search bar and search for the item. So I found my item and I log in, I click on this item and I add to cart and I can check out. And for sure, I will get the cashback. So we are looking at the cashback of 6%. Yeah, so when you see this pop up on Top Cashback, means that they have recorded your visits to Amazon. Okay. The next question you might have is how you can get cashback after you have checked out and you actually know that this category you are going to get cash, and you saw it you get a notification from Top Cashback saying that you have a cash waiting for you to be claimed. Do understand that Top Cashback, basically you need to meet the minimum criteria of, I think it's $10 or $20 before they will credit. But first of all, you need to request for it. Now, a lot of people, they do not know that they need to request for it. And while they just wait for the cashback to come, it will never come, because on this kind of cashback site, they request you to acknowledge the amount of cashback you want to cash out. So while you wait for the email, you make sure that you request for it. And after you request for it, you receive a second email asking you to confirm your request. It could take 24 hours or 48 hours. And then you can cash out either to Amazon gift cards, which you get additional 2%, or you can get direct PayPal. So if you're a dropshipper, probably when you're starting off, it's good that you get your cashback cash out through the Amazon gift cards because you get additional 2% off top of that. If you're a seasoned dropshipper which have been dropshipping for quite a while and you're getting lots of cash, like for example 1000 cashback every month, that would suggest that you get the PayPal and you spend it on your expenses. Let's take a look at how does the email that you receive. Yeah, basically you will get an email notification whenever whenever you get a cashback, and the email will basically look like this. They will say that what kind of on which date, what kind of purchase that you made, and you can actually see in terms of the price of the item that you purchased through the top cashback dashboard. You can see that there are many cashback you can get. Say for example, you can see that especially for the December month, we're basically getting quite a number of cashback. Let me just show it to you that this is a proven method that you can get cash. I've logged into my top cashback and go to my account. And you can see that basically I still have about 373.76 outstanding, and total I can cash out is close to $500. So this method basically you can actually leverage on the amount of money that you get from cashback to offset for all your expenses. So the amount of money actually you will not receive immediately. However, in the subsequent months, when you have enough earnings, you can actually request for payout. You can go to the payout tab over here. You can see that from this payout dashboard, I can actually cash out $72.62 through my PayPal, or I can exchange for Amazon gift card at which is $74.79. Yeah, so this is the 2% additional which you can claim, and I believe now they have increased it to 3%. Yeah, so you can try to cash out, but for myself we actually would accumulate the amount before we cash out totally. So if you're interested to learn more about dropshipping and to get more value out of my videos, you can visit my Facebook group at fb.com/group/dropshipmastery. So I'll see you in the next video.